Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you are new here, I'm Dawn, and you have found Designs by Gaddis. If you enjoy DIYs, flips, and everything farmhouse, you are in the right place. On my channel, I love bringing you fun, simple, and affordable home decor DIYs on a budget. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you see, hit the bell notification and leave me a comment. This project was inspired by Crafting with Maria. I finally found the cute little drawers at my Dollar Tree and was so excited to find them that I couldn't remember what I had been wanting them for. Let me know in the comments if you ever get so excited to find something you've been looking for forever. I saw this little display that Crafting with Maria had made and wanted to give it a try. I laid the drawers out the way I wanted them to sit and began gluing them together with hot glue. I placed the two inside drawers on the outside with the opening facing up, and I placed the outside of the drawers in the middle facing down. By doing this, I'm able to use this little piece in two different ways. I mixed water and black paint together to create a black stain for the drawers and painted everything. I mean the entire piece inside and out. I used a paper towel to wipe the stain off. And then used Waverly plaster chalk paint and painted everything. I wasn't worried about a perfect paint job because I knew I was going to distress it. And I'm not going to bore you with me painting this entire thing. Once everything was dry, I used a sanding block and an emery board to distress everything. I wanted the piece to look old and used. I paid special attention to the areas that would be faded with normal use, the edges and the sides. I used some Dollar Tree wood letters and spelled out home and painted the letters with black chalk paint. Once the letters were dry, I glued them to the front. I used two Dollar Tree Crafters jars, the plastic ones, as vases in the two side boxes of the piece. I applied a layer of Mod Podge first, just to make sure the paint would adhere to the plastic. I then painted the jars with Waverly Elephant chalk paint. And wrapped a piece of twine around the top of each jar. I placed some Dollar Tree rocks in the bottom of the jars to give them some weight. I had some sprigs of eucalyptus I had gotten from a yard sale and cut them down to fit into the jars. I think this little piece turned out so cute and it can be used with the boxes on the sides like this, or with the boxes in the middle like this. Let me know in the comments what you think of this cute little piece. Until next time, happy crafting!